We heard you, BSU. We saw your comments. You guys loved getting an inside look at a random BSU student's dorm. So we decided to make a series out of it. Welcome to BSU Cribs. So we are in University Park now, and we're gonna see if there are any BSU students who are willing to show us their room. I don't know, he has stuff in his hands. I probably don't wanna bother him. Like, actually sweaty. I think I might just lost the opportunity. Is he gonna be weirded out that we're like following him?
Just go.
Oh God. Hey, sup, wait. Do you live on campus?
Yeah, a little bit.
Do you wanna show us your room?
It is so messy.
We can like clean up real quick if you want. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
My name is Phi Nguyen. I live in Stonehouse.
Perfect. All right, let's check it out. Oh, so you got a solo room?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
There's the bathroom, a little bit messy. As usual. It's always messy.
No toilet paper.
I keep my own like little stash.
I love this.
Oh,
Is this yours?
Yeah, that's mine. My sister, she got it for me, and then this is my room. I do video editing on that. I work for a lot of YouTube creators.
What's the main thing you do in the dorm? Is it like you're editing, you're streaming? What does that look like?
Just every day, pop up After Effects or Premiere, and I'm just like going at it every day.
Could you do a closet reveal?
It is so messy. Like,
That's okay.
okay, so it's like a bunch of random stuff. Whoa.
Pouring out.
This is my favorite hoodie.
I love it.
It's like bunny based. This is one of my friend's hoodies. She made it. She's based in Seattle. This is merch. Like a lot of it's merch. This is merch as well.
That's awesome though. Do video or photo more with your camera?
I do photo more because this is like more of a photography camera.
Can we see some of your photos?
There's one that I really like. It's this one.
Oh yeah, same like vibe. That's really cool. Very like atmospheric.
It was like 20 degrees outside. I ran outside. I was like, it's snowing. I gotta take some photos. I love oranges.
Does the video editing stuff have anything to do with like your major at BSU?
Yeah, I'm a communications and film and media major.
I would love to see what's under your bed.
Some like surplus like tissues and
Toilet paper? Do you like living on campus, first of all?
I like living on campus just because I don't need to drive here and there all the time.
Yeah, the convenience factor.
Yeah. You see everybody outside, like in the front.
Okay, you get a good view of ECC. Okay, what's in the CVS bag?
All right, and
What is
vacuum.
vacuum.
Attachments. So I keep like my water bottles inside the closet. There's like a little.
And they got a lot of water bottles. With the toilet paper on top.
Yeah.
How long have you been in the world of like VTubers and editing and all that stuff?
I think it was like 17. It pretty much changed my life just because I was a computer science student before.
Oh.
And oh my God, I hate computer science.
Where are you hoping to be in 10 years?
I hope to be moving out of my parents. I want to.
Sure, naturally.
That's pretty much it. Like my workspace and just my closet.
I guess that's the tour.
That is the tour.
Thank you so much. Again, what is your name? What is your major? What year are you?
My name is Phi Nguyen. I'm a communications major and I'm a junior.
Perfect. Thank you.